Hi, I'm back and we're ready to talk about the piecing of our simple checker corners. But before I do that, I completely forgot to tell you what our recipe is. So a lot of you have abundant gardens and we do too. And so I thought that I would share with you just a really fun, simple recipe for quick bread with zucchini in it. And so this is, of course, a chocolate zucchini bread. And this is also kind of has some applesauce in it, so it doesn't have as much oil. And this is from my favorite website of Skinny Taste. And they have a lot of great simplified skinny recipes, but it's super delicious and still chocolatey. So chocolate zucchini bread. And zucchini, you know, is wonderful because when you put it in breads and other things, it keeps it really moist and yummy. So when we tasted it, we're like, oh, this is delicious. It's almost like fudgy brownie-like, yet it doesn't have as many calories. So lovely, wonderful. It made 2 loaves. They're not super high, but they're really delicious. And so I think you'll really enjoy the recipe. And so that's my recipe for this month. And I can't believe I didn't remember to talk about it because it's really chocolatey and delicious smelling sitting here. Okay, so let's talk about piecing. I do want to add some pressing information because it might be a little bit confusing and they forget to tell you the pressing on section B. So here are my 3 strip sets, A, B, and C. And it's hard to tell what the colors are. So I just wanted to tell you what the numbers are. So in the strip set on A, it's color 8, color 7, and color 11. And you could distinguish it if you were looking at the sets, but it's easier probably if I tell you. So this is strip set A here, and you're going to press towards color 8. Both of the seams towards color 8. This is strip set B, and it's color 7, 11, and 7, and you're going to press towards the center, towards color 11. And then this finally is strip set C, and it's color 1, color 7, and color 11. You're going to press towards color 11 and towards color 1.
Excuse me.
And that way, when you go to sew these, they all nest together. And then once you have these pieced and pressed, you're going to cross cut them into 8 2.5-inch sections each. So you'll easily get 8 out of them. I've only just cut 1 so that you can see the strip sets and then see the pieces. This is the layout. This is strip set A, this is strip set B, and this is strip set C. Make sure that you have them placed correctly. I'll have it upside down just to show you my color guide here facing towards me, A, B, and C. I do lay it out to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. And you're going to make 8 of those, okay? And then when you see this on your picture here, this is where it sets in between your center borders, in between your double rows blocks, and you're ready to piece that whole center together now, okay? And when you do piece that together, the whole center should measure 48.5 inches square. That's raw edge square, okay? So not finished, but raw 48-inch square center piece. So you have that all pieced already, okay? And then you'll be ready to move on to some outside pieces. So this is a real simple block. Just watch your colors so that they work out properly in the middle. And if you just press properly, they'll nicely nest together. And that's it. Enjoy your recipe, enjoy your month, and we hope to see you at the shop soon. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.